Hey there, food lovers and travel enthusiasts. Mr. Jordan here, and today we're spicing things up a bit. We're ditching the kitchen for now and taking a trip to Paradise Bali, Indonesia. Now, I know what you might be thinking, Bali. Isn't that super expensive? Well, my friends, that's where you're wrong. We're about to embark on a budget-friendly Balinese adventure, proving that you don't need a 5-star budget to experience the magic of this incredible island. Get ready to discover the tastiest, most affordable eats, uncover hidden gems, and learn how to stretch your dollar further than a plate of Nasi Goreng. From bustling local markets with mouth-watering street food to serene rice paddies and stunning beaches, Bali has something for everyone. So pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready for an unforgettable journey as we unlock the secrets to experiencing Bali on a budget. Alright folks, let's talk flights. Getting to Bali from the US might seem like the priciest part of the trip, but don't fret, we've got you covered. First things first, flexibility is key. Being open to different travel dates can save you a pretty penny. Shoulder seasons like spring and fall often have the best deals, and who wouldn't want to avoid those peak season crowds anyway? Next up, let's talk about flight search engines. Now you've got your usual suspects like Kayak, Google Flights, and Skyscanner, but don't be afraid to explore some of the lesser-known sites like Momondo or Kiwi.com. These can sometimes unearth hidden gems with crazy good deals. And here's a pro tip: clear your cookies. Airlines and travel sites often track your searches and might hike prices if they see you're really eyeing that Bali trip. A little incognito browsing goes a long way. Now for those long-haul flights, comfort is key, right? Don't be afraid to splurge a little on those extra legroom seats, your knees will thank you later, and pack some snacks. Airport food can be a real budget buster. Remember, getting there is half the fun, and with a little planning and some savvy searching, you'll be sipping on fresh coconut water on a Balinese beach before you know it. Alright adventurers, we've landed in Bali. Now let's find you a cozy and affordable place to rest your head. Forget those fancy resorts. Bali is brimming with charming guest houses, budget-friendly hotels, and social hostels that won't break the bank. For the solo travelers and social butterflies, hostels are the way to go. You can snag a bed in a dorm room for as low as $10 a night, and trust me, you'll meet some amazing people from all over the world. Plus, most hostels offer free breakfast, which means more money for adventures. If you're after a bit more privacy, fear not. Bali is home to countless guest houses and homestays run by the friendliest locals. You can find rooms with private bathrooms and even swimming pools for around $20 to $30 a night. Talk about a steal. And the best part? These accommodations are often nestled in the heart of local neighborhoods, giving you a true taste of Balinese life. Imagine waking up to the sounds of roosters and the smell of incense wafting through the air. Pure bliss. Alright foodies, let's talk about the real star of the show, Balinese cuisine. And the best part? You don't need a Michelin star budget to experience the incredible flavors of this island paradise. In fact, some of the tastiest food in Bali can be found at local warungs, small family-run restaurants that will tantalize your taste buds without emptying your wallet. Imagine this: steaming plates of Nasi Goreng, fried rice, loaded with veggies and your choice of chicken, tofu, or tempeh, all for around $2. Or how about a hearty bowl of Nasi Goreng, fried noodles, bursting with flavor for just $1 or $2. And let's not forget about the iconic satay lembar, minced meat skewers slathered in a rich, savory sauce, a true Balinese delicacy for less than $1 a stick. But it's not just about the main courses, folks. Warungs are also a haven for snack lovers. From crispy pisang goreng, fried bananas, drizzled with sweet condensed milk, to savory lumpia, spring rolls, packed with fresh vegetables, your taste buds will be doing the happy dance with every bite. And the best part? Eating at warungs is an experience in itself. You'll be welcomed with warm smiles, the aroma of spices will fill the air, and you'll get a true taste of Balinese hospitality. So, ditch those fancy restaurants, grab a seat at a local warung, and get ready for a culinary adventure that won't break the bank. Alright adventurers, now that we've filled our bellies with delicious and affordable Balinese cuisine, let's talk about getting around this beautiful island. And what better way to experience the freedom of the open road than with a scooter? Now I know what you might be thinking, scooters. In Bali, is that safe? And the answer is yes, as long as you're careful and follow the rules of the road. Plus, renting a scooter is by far the cheapest and most convenient way to explore Bali at your own pace. Imagine this, the wind in your hair as you zip through rice paddies, the sun on your face as you cruise along coastal roads, the freedom to stop and explore hidden temples and waterfalls whenever you please. That's the magic of exploring Bali on two wheels. And the best part? Renting a scooter will only set you back around $5 to $10 per day, a fraction of the cost of taxis or private drivers. Just make sure you have an international driver's license and wear a helmet at all times. Safety first, folks. So, embrace the adventurous spirit, hop on a scooter, and get ready to discover the hidden gems of Bali, all while saving money and experiencing the island like a local. Alright folks, for those of you who prefer to sit back, relax, and enjoy the scenery, hiring a private driver in Bali is another fantastic and surprisingly affordable option. Now I know what you're thinking, private driver, that sounds expensive. But trust me, it's more budget-friendly than you might think, especially if you're traveling with a group. Imagine this, you're whisked away in an air-conditioned car, your friendly driver navigating the sometimes chaotic Balinese roads while you soak in the sights and sounds of this captivating island. No need to worry about directions, parking, or haggling with taxis, just pure relaxation and exploration. Private drivers in Bali are incredibly knowledgeable and can often take you to off-the-beaten-path destinations that you might not find in guidebooks. They can also help you plan your itinerary, recommend local restaurants, and even assist with bargaining at markets. Talk about VIP treatment. And the best part, hiring a private driver for an entire day will typically cost you around $35 to $50, which, when split between a group of friends, becomes a very reasonable expense for the convenience and personalized service you receive. So, if you're looking for a stress-free and comfortable way to explore Bali, consider hiring a private driver. You'll be amazed by the hidden gems you discover and the warm hospitality you encounter along the way. Alright, adventurers, let's talk about something crucial for staying healthy and happy on your Bali adventure: staying hydrated. Now, while Bali is a tropical paradise, it's important to remember that tap water is generally not safe to drink. But don't worry, staying hydrated won't break the bank. Bottled water is readily available everywhere in Bali, from small convenience stores to supermarkets, and it's incredibly affordable. You can typically find a 1.5-liter bottle of water for around 50 cents, which is a small price to pay for your health and well-being. Here's a pro tip. Buy a large reusable water bottle and refill it throughout your trip. Many hotels and guest houses have water dispensers where you can refill for free, saving you money and reducing plastic waste. It's a win-win. And remember, staying hydrated is especially important in a tropical climate like Bali. So drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially when you're out exploring temples, beaches, and rice paddies. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. So there you have it, folks. Bali on a budget is not a myth. It's a delicious, adventurous reality. From mouth-watering local eats to affordable accommodations and transportation options, you can experience the magic of this Indonesian paradise without breaking the bank. Remember, the best travel experiences often come from embracing the local culture, connecting with people, and savoring the simple pleasures. So pack your bags, grab your appetite for adventure, and get ready for an unforgettable journey to Bali. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and culinary adventures, and let me know in the comments below. Have you ever been to Bali? What are your must-try Balinese dishes? Let's chat!